Assalamu alaikum, sisters. Are you looking to gain authentic Islamic knowledge online from anywhere in the world? Today, I'm sharing everything you need to know about the Maryam Institute English Aalimah program, the courses, schedule, eligibility, fees, and how to apply. Stay with me because this could be your first step on a beautiful journey of knowledge. Before we start, sisters, I want to share a little from my personal experience. I am currently studying the 3-year Tafsir program at Maryam Institute, and it has been such a positive, enriching journey. You can fully trust Maryam Institute. The teachers are knowledgeable, classes are structured, and the learning environment is very supportive. I also want to remind you that this is an online program, and it requires serious commitment. This is not something to do just out of excitement or curiosity. It's a 6-year program of consistent study and spiritual growth. If you're ready to dedicate yourself, inshallah, it will be a beautiful, rewarding experience. What is the Alimah program? The Alimah program is a 6-year program for sisters who want a deep, in-depth study of the Islamic sciences. You'll spend about 10 to 12 hours per week on live classes, homework, and review. The program is based on the traditional Alimah curriculum and covers Arabic language and its sciences, tafsir, understanding the Quran, hadith, sayings of the Prophet, fiqh, Islamic law. Use al-fiqh, principles of law, Aqidah, beliefs, Sirah, the life of the Prophet, Shama'il, and Islamic spirituality. Contemporary issues classes start in English, and gradually, sisters are guided toward Arabic reading fluency, including classical texts. This gives you direct access to the richness of the scholarly tradition. Here's the weekly schedule. Start date, July 2026. Classes, Monday to Thursday. Class hours, 10-12 hours per week. Homework and assignments, 2 to 3 hours per week. Annual exams, second week of June 2027. Summer break, tentatively July 1st to 30th, 2027. The registration fee is just $20, and there are no monthly fees. It's a one-time fee to process your application, and the program itself is free. Who can apply? To join, sisters should meet a few simple requirements. Age, 16 or older. Commitment, able to dedicate 12 to 14 hours per week for classes, assignments, and review. Language, comfortable with English Quran reading, able to read Arabic script at a basic level. Perfection in Tajweed is not required. Technology, laptop or tablet, microphone, and reliable internet. Academic readiness, high school completion or equivalent, ready for weekly homework, quizzes, and exams. Code of conduct, follow Islamic etiquette, academic integrity, and attend classes regularly. Here's what you need to apply. Reference letter from a teacher, mentor, or family member who can speak about your character and commitment. Latest academic certificate, high school diploma or equivalent, and any college degree if you have one. Personal statement, 500 to 700 words explaining why you want to join the program and your personal and spiritual goals. Registration fee, $20 to process your application. Remember, this is just the application fee, not a monthly tuition. The program is completely free otherwise. If you cannot afford the fee, there's a fee waiver supported by Sadaqah funds. Visit the Maryam Institute website to apply. After submitting the application and registration fee, the admissions team will review your application, send you a link to upload your documents. Schedule an interview if you are shortlisted. It's simple, sisters, and the team is there to help if you face any issues with the payment or application. Sisters, if you are interested in doing the Alimah program in Urdu, the video explaining that is already available. You can find the link in the description below. Remember, sisters, this is an online program, so you will need discipline and commitment. Set aside your weekly hours, stay consistent, and inshallah, you will gain not only knowledge but also a deep connection with Allah. This program is a beautiful chance to gain authentic Islamic knowledge in English from the comfort of your home while building a strong foundation in the traditional sciences. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe so other sisters can benefit too. And if you have any questions or face any issues, comment below. I'll try to answer every single one. May Allah make this journey easy and full of barakah for all of us. Jazakallahu khair for watching.